Hey guys, всем привет! Welcome to Alice Yummy Food and to my wonderful kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make these delicious raspberry and chocolate puddings. They're so cute, they look amazing, and they taste incredible. I made them and I was just like, wow, I'm in a chocolate raspberry heaven. These two match together. They're like perfect, you know, heart. So I hope you make this for somebody special. As holidays are coming up, it's a really good treat for anybody that you love, or if you just want to make it for yourself. And it's really easy recipe. So really key ingredients, you can find them anywhere in the stores. You don't have to do anything fancy, and you can use any glasses that you like or you have in your house. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let's get started. In a small cooking pan, add sugar and then add some cornstarch. And then we're going to add some cocoa powder and then mix everything together until it kind of becomes nice and smooth consistency. Then I'm going to add a little bit of milk just to make sure we have no lumps in the mixture. So mix that all together and then keep adding milk a little bit at a time. This will ensure you have no lumps, but you can mix everything until it kind of becomes like a smooth chocolate mixture. Totally looks amazing right now, right? Look at that shine on this chocolate. Then you want to add your egg yolks and mix everything together until it becomes one mass. Then you want to add more of your milk, well, the rest of your milk, and then mix everything together until you see sort of nice chocolatey mixture. You want to take it over to the stove and then cook this for some time until the mixture starts to thicken. It didn't take very long for me because my stove is very quick. So just keep mixing it and then take it off the stove. And then you want to sift the chocolate mixture through a sieve because you will have several lumps there. But that's okay, guys, don't worry, we can sift it through. And just use a different bowl and make sure everything is nice and sifted. So this will ensure you have no lumps completely. Then we want to add some unsalted butter and vanilla extract and mix everything together until the mixture is still hot so that the butter can melt. And it should look like this delicious chocolatey pudding. Guys and girls, you can find this full recipe on my website at aliceYummyFood.com. Just press on Google and you can find a bunch of other recipes there as well. I've got over 500 recipes on my channel, so make sure you check them out and follow some of them. I've got video instructions with translations into English and Russian. To make this dessert even better, you can add some cupcake holders into your muffin tin and add your glass and then pour the chocolate mixture inside. You can also use a piping bag for a cleaner cut. I just didn't have any at the time, so you want to add several tablespoons of your chocolate mixture inside, and then to make sure it freezes and sets like this, we want to put it into the fridge with a whole muffin ramekin. And next we're going to make our raspberry jelly. So add your jelly with hot water in a pan, and we want to make sure it melts, so just keep mixing it together. You can also put it in a microwave if you want it to melt faster. Next, we're going to add some heavy or double cream in a bowl and whisk it until it sort of forms nice and soft peaks. You don't want to over whisk it, it needs to be nice and gentle. And then we're going to add our cream into our jelly and whisk everything quite gently until the mixture becomes nice and even. So you can see our chocolate pudding has set, and then we're going to gently pour our raspberry jello on top. And you will see this beautiful shape of raspberry and chocolate crossed together. So just fill that in until the very end and place this into the fridge until they completely set. Once they set, you will see that the jello and the cream has separated, but that's great because it gives it even a better look. So top it up with some whipped cream, some more raspberries, and these desserts are so yummy. I'm also adding some fresh mint and some chocolate shavings on top. The flavor is so good, guys. You've got the tart raspberry with sweet chocolate pudding. The combination is amazing. They go together so well. I absolutely love this dessert. So I really hope you try this. You can use any other presentation dishes as you like. And just look at that when we dig in. Oh my god, it's so delicious, guys. I'm literally salivating right now. So yummy. Check out loads of other recipes on my YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you.